Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever way you're watching this video. It's your boy Kelly Ranshi, aka the Dread Master. So I promise you guys I will tell you how I do my dreadlock in the last previous video that I sent for you. Now I'm doing the dread. You see that I'm adding an extension to the hair, which I'm using my crochet pin. But this is very important for the dread to mix with the extension, because you see exactly what I know. You will not get everything right, but you can see through the way I do the installation. I know you can look closer how I install it. So with this one, the dread very easy for her to carry and to style. Okay, this is the step 2. After finishing the installation, so I need to do a palm roll, not interlocking, because it's an temporary dreadlocks. So it's what we just do, then maybe after a year, 2 years, you can take it off. So that's why I'm doing the palm roll, because if she's supposed want to leave it forever, so I can do interlocking, but I'm just doing normal palm rolling so that whenever she's ready to take it off, it will be easy for her to take. So this is how I was able to do this artificial dreadlock to look as the same as the real dreadlocks. So I get the styling from this, which is not that difficult. Hope you like my video. Please like and share, and we'll see again on my next video how I treat dreadlocks. Thank you.